Hey, I'm Megan with WTI, and when it comes to bedding, nothing quite says luxury to me than a pinched pleat duvet cover. That's why I'm thrilled with this ultra silky, oversized King Duvet cover by eBeddy linen. The duvet cover feels so silky smooth that I don't mind at all pulling it right up to my face when I'm sleeping. This duvet has an 800 thread count with an Egyptian cotton sateen weave. You can tell that each pinch pleat is really well stitched. My favorite feature are the corner ties that allow my duvet to stay in place. There are actually 7 ties to keep your duvet in place. My duvet unfortunately only allows for 4, 1 in each corner, but the duvet still stays wonderfully in place and is not shifting inside the duvet cover. I really like the hidden double zipper closure. It makes it so much more convenient when inserting my duvet. I was actually quite surprised at how easy it was. Now I got my duvet cover in the dark gray, but there are so many other colors and sizes to choose from that you're sure to find the right fit for your bedroom. I highly recommend this duvet cover for its quality as well as its practicality. And that's my point of view.